Tom Huston from Safety Speed Manufacturing in Minneapolis, Minnesota, here in Salt Lake City at M&M Tools. And today we're going to talk about how to properly and safely use a H5 panel saw for both vertical cross-cutting and horizontal rip cutting. So we're going to cut this 4x8 sheet of plywood in half on the vertical panel saw. I just roll it over here, right over to the 48-inch mark. Just press it back against the frame a little bit, turn it on. In addition to cross-cutting, you can also rip cut or horizontal cut with a safety speed panel saw, and you simply bring it down to the level that you want, pull these two indexing pins out, turn the saw carriage, lock it in place, follow the arrows, So we're here at M&M Tools, Salt Lake City, Utah, very easily showing you how to complete all of your projects of sizing panels. You've got a large rectangle and you need a smaller rectangle. M&M Tool can help you with a safety speed panel saw, get you into the exact one that you need for your needs, and they can help you out as well as with any of the accessories that you would need.